Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. This mDesign Disposable Paper Cup Dispenser is just a really simple and beautiful way for me to hold disposable cups in our bathroom. The clear transparency allows the color of the cups to show through, and I've been using cute little blue cups, so it kind of adds a pop of color to my counter. It has a nice small footprint, so it takes up very little space. I have a small vanity counter, so I don't have a lot of space. The bottom is soft, so there's no scratching on the counter. And when the light shines through it, it's just really beautiful. This mDesign disposable paper cup dispenser adds a little style, and it's so functional on the vanity in our bathroom. And that's my point of view.